Hi, this is Daniel. Today I'm going to tell you how I got a real American phone number while living outside the United States. When you start searching online for terms like US phone number or American phone number, you'll see tons of offers from different services and apps. At first glance, it looks great. A quick US number, a few clicks, and you're done. The problem is that in most cases, these are numbers that work only inside the app. You don't get a real physical SIM card or eSIM from an actual carrier. For many people, that's enough, but if you want a number that behaves like a normal mobile number, it's not that obvious. That's exactly the kind of number I was looking for. A normal, real number on a mobile network, not something locked inside an app. And completely by accident, I came across a company that I hadn't seen mentioned in practically any tutorial.
Even on websites that list different ways to get a US number, this company wasn't mentioned anywhere. Only various virtual VoIP number services. Very popular ones like TextMe or TextNow, which in my opinion are quite expensive. Let me say right away that this is not a sponsored video. No one is paying me for this, and even the number I bought for the purpose of this video is paid for out of my own pocket. But I want to share this with others because when I was searching for a way to get a real American phone number, I couldn't find this option anywhere. In the video description, you'll find a referral link, so if you want, you can use it.
I'm talking about Tello. It's an American carrier that operates on T-Mobile's infrastructure. With them, you get a real SIM card, or eSIM. You can activate the eSIM even if you're not physically in the United States. You don't need roaming because you make calls through Wi-Fi calling. One important note here. Your phone must support eSIM and Wi-Fi calling for the eSIM activation to work. You can also choose a bundle with a phone, but for that you have to be in the USA. Tello's plans are very simple and flexible. You choose how many minutes and how much data you want. Every plan includes unlimited text messages. The cheapest option starts at $5 for 100 minutes, unlimited texts, and no data. In my opinion, until you actually travel to the USA, you don't need a data package, unless you plan to receive MMS. But an important note, incoming calls also reduce your minute balance. For the purpose of this video, I'll choose the cheapest $5 plan and click Register. Creating an account is simple. You enter your first name, last name, email address, and set a password. After creating the account, you get an activation email. And then you need to choose a zip code so the number is assigned to a specific region. I chose California to get a number with a California prefix. Both the eSIM and the physical SIM card cost $3, so the total is $8. We fill in all required fields with our real information, then select the payment method and finalize the transaction. While our eSIM is being generated, we set our security PIN. And done. The eSIM has been generated. We can go to the My SIM menu where we'll now see the QR code for our card. Below that, there are instructions on how to install it on different phones using the QR code or manually with a long activation code. Now we move to something important, setting the emergency 911 address. Because when you use Wi-Fi calling, the carrier doesn't know where you are, so you must set an address for 911 services. It can be any address in the USA. I'll set Apple's address in Cupertino. On iPhones, when activating an eSIM, the phone usually shows a window asking you to set the 911 emergency address. Other options in the settings include pay-as-you-go, where you deposit funds that can be used for calls, data, and roaming. The minimum top-up is $20. There is also an international roaming toggle, which you can enable if you have at least $5 in your pay-as-you-go balance. If you plan to use your Tello number to contact people in jail or prison in the USA, I recommend not using Wi-Fi calling and instead enabling international roaming. Phone systems like GTL, Securus, etc. may detect such calls as three-way calls, and they will be blocked. The phone may not even ring, and you won't get missed call notifications. Now let's move on to activation. Take your phone and scan the QR code. If the eSIM doesn't activate immediately, restart your phone after about 30 minutes. Once the phone turns back on, the eSIM will be active and you will receive a text message confirming it. That's it. You can now enjoy your own American phone number from anywhere in the world where there is mobile coverage. Now let's check if everything works. First, an incoming call from my previous U.S. number. Yes, I chose Florida. And now I'll call from the new American number to my old one. Everything works. And for a more visual comparison, here are two phones side by side showing both an outgoing and incoming call.
At the end, a few practical details. On the main account page, you can see how many minutes you have left in your plan. There were 100 minutes, and now there are 99. When we go to the Activity tab, we can see that this 1 minute was an incoming call. That's why, when choosing a plan, you need to take into account how much you will actually use this number, both receiving and making calls. At any moment, you can renew your plan by clicking Renew Plan, or you can completely change it to a higher one. International roaming has fairly low rates in most countries. 5 cents per minute is cheaper than calling the USA from my local carrier. A text message is 1 cent. I don't know what roaming rates other US carriers have, but European carriers seem to be stuck in the 1990s. To enable international roaming, you need at least $5 in your pay-as-you-go balance. Unfortunately, the minimum top-up for pay-as-you-go is $20, which is quite a lot. You can also recommend Tello to others through the referral program. You share your referral link, and if someone buys a number and pays for it for 3 months, you'll get Tello dollars that you can use to pay for services, etc. Now we'll switch to the account of the number I've been using for several months. I have roaming enabled and funds in pay-as-you-go, which is why you can see the rates in the USA, and also that roaming isn't cheap in every country. But what I wanted to show is how much calls cost when you don't use Wi-Fi calling and use roaming instead. The rates aren't very high, although if you're within Wi-Fi range, then calls are free. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. And if this video helped you, consider giving it a like or sharing it with someone who's also looking for a real US phone number.